Okay, for the Miss Aldea Photogenic.
Okay, Miss Aldea Photogenic. Okay.
I would like to request our very own municipal mayor, assisted by our Miss Pilar 2006, to give the award.
Okay. Wani daya ha, kay sila yung nagtamo na ni. Sila ang nagtamo na ni, bago pa ni akong liuka. Puno, naigisi-gisi, pero wak yung mimili. Okay. So, ato na ablihan. Okay. Yes. Sorry, nabalik. Okay. Our Miss Aldea Photogenic, no other than Miss or candidate number 4, Miss Robilin Anania. Okay, day. Okay. So, lato yung mayor mo yung taod sa sash. Inana na siya ikon. Okay. So, sa gihapon, pasalamaton kami ako sa Aldea Photo Center. No? Yung gwapa kayo? Nindot kayo sa smile. Or photogenic kayo siya. But not only in photo, also in original. Diba? Tanawa lang po. Okay, thank you, Mayor. Okay, thank you, Dai. Then, the next award is the Miss Aldea Smile. Okay, Miss Aldea Smile. Kinsa kaning bayong smile? Huh?
Okay, for the Miss Aldea Smile, we would like to request our Vice Mayor, Honorable Adolfo Espuelas, to be assisted by our Municipal Treasurer, Mrs. Fermina Marcatines, to give the award.
Ang niliw kamay, mas nabali na po. Okay. This time, ladies and gentlemen, atong ukbon ang nakatap-tap na tabon. Okay, hold your breath, candidates. Kinsa ka. Okay. Miss Aldea Smile is no other than... Okay, kasama na oy! Si candidate number 7. Oh, si Lotsi Upalia. Sorry. Upiala. Siya ginapili sa Aldea. Eh, ano ba? Number 7. Uy, huwag naman. Usa na lang ka-award. Ang atong Miss Aldea
Image Model.
Uy, insa na nila.
Okay, for the Miss Aldea Image Model, we would like to request Kagawad Engineer Manuel Belvera to be assisted by our SK Chairman o Barangay Estaca, Miss Sidujisa Bernante.
So again, why nakahibaw yun ani? Even kami nga organizer, the parents and the barangay council, why nakahibaw kay sekreto? Huwag ani ko tanawa sa manager ani maghatag. Kaya tingali og uduol ko niya mga tanang. No, bilan ko ra gyud hatag. Okay, diyan na. So, let us open now. Okay. So, Miss Aldea Image Model is no other than candidate number 1, Miss Trinity Buslon. Okay. 99.99% yun mo pili ang aldiya na. Na, 99.99%, 100 na di ay.